Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys saw in the title of the video, I'm going to compare my Baccarat Rouge 540 and compare it with Ambery Saffron from Dossier. If you guys don't know, Dossier is a company that makes fragrances, good high quality fragrances. I think their concentration is around 18 to 20%. They make fragrances inspired by iconic fragrances. This one, Ambery Saffron from Dossier, is a dupe for Maison Francis Kurkdjian Baccarat Rouge 540. This is the exact dupe. I do not lie in my channel, and if I say that it's dupe, it is a dupe. I made another video of the Tom Ford Lost Cherry with Oriental Cherry from Dossier. They are dupes. This video is not sponsored. They didn't pay me to say this, but I like sharing. There is a company that makes exactly the same as these perfumes. So what is the difference between the Baccarat Rouge 540? This one is $500, this is 200 ml, and this one, the Ambery Saffron from Dossier, is 50 ml, and this one is $49. If you click this video because you are looking for a dupe, a cheaper alternative for Baccarat Rouge, there is a company called Dossier, and they make high quality fragrances that you're going to like. Why? Because they're spot on. Everybody loves Baccarat Rouge, including me. I got this bottle from my husband. It was a present. He was generous. He gave me this 200 ml bottle. This is $500. And as my husband said, it is equivalent to our monthly car payment. Baccarat Rouge 540 is very unique, but there's a lot of companies that are using its DNA, meaning they are creating fragrances that would smell like Baccarat Rouge. They make it smell like Baccarat Rouge, but they twig it a little, and then there is like what people like, they're gonna buy it. But this fragrance is very unique. It's just so delicious. It's sweet. A lot of people says it smells like cotton candy. At first, when I smelled this, I smelled a lot of saffron, which I didn't like at first, especially on my skin. I can smell a lot of saffron. As I use it, I fell in love with the smell, and I just can't live without it. I use this every day, and this is my signature scent right now. So Dossier is a company, reached out to me and they asked me if I want to try their perfume. Let's talk about the packaging first. The packaging is not cheap looking. It is heavy. It's very sophisticated and simple. It doesn't look tacky. It actually looks nice. And the cap is magnetic. I like fragrances that has magnet on a cap. What's really important is what's inside this bottle. Baccarat Rouge on my right. Right when you spray it, there's no difference. It's spot on Baccarat Rouge. Now it is developing. I'm getting a lot of saffron with Dossier. For the Baccarat Rouge, it's very subtle. You can actually compare this with the Extrait. There is a version of the Baccarat Rouge 540, which is the Extrait, which is more potent, and it reminds me of the Dossier because it has more saffron, so it's still developing. And we're in the middle note right now. It says here on the bottle the notes. Top notes is saffron, orange blossom. Middle notes is jasmine, plum, cedar wood. I can definitely smell the cedar wood right now. And the saffron is strong. Base notes is oak moss, fir balsam, and amber. For the Baccarat Rouge 540, I'm going to list the notes right here. I'm going to get it from Fragrantica and then just post it here. I do think that they have similar notes. That's why they smell exactly the same. It's a little bit lighter. Dossier, I think Dossier has that Extrait. Smells really like the Extrait. When I received this bottle, the house sent me a sample of the Baccarat Rouge 540 Extrait, and it smells like the Dossier. So I figured that this video is gonna be really long if I waited to dry, like really dry. So I made these comparison. It's already dry, and this has been hours since I sprayed this. Like I sprayed it this morning, and it's already almost 5 o'clock. So this one is the Dossier, and this one is the Baccarat Rouge. Honestly, Dossier is more potent. Like it's still there, it's stronger. And the Baccarat Rouge 540 here It's very light now. It's that skin scent. This is the scent that I smell. The sillage that I smell. And then the wind blows and I can smell myself. This is the scent that I love. Dossier is still strong. I can smell the amber, a little bit powdery. I can smell the saffron here now, but Dossier had the saffron first. Like as soon as I sprayed it, I could smell the saffron. For Baccarat Rouge, the saffron is in the middle. The scent is so good, it's so sweet. It's ideal for all year round. It's ideal for every season. It is very sexy. It's unisex. So if you're looking for a great dupe of Baccarat Rouge 540, this is the best dupe. This is spot on Baccarat Rouge 540. Again, this one is the Ambery Saffron from Dossier. It's only $49. Check out, guys. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative of niche fragrances, you know, like high-end designer fragrances, check out Dossier. There are two fragrances that I know they're spot on dupe. This one, Ambery Saffron, and the other one is Oriental Cherry, which is inspired by Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I do have the Lost Cherry. This is so yummy. It's cherry, almond, sweet. I love gourmand fragrances. I like sweet fragrances. And this one is just spot on the same. This one is Oriental Cherry. I think this one is $49 as well. Their fragrances are ranging from $29 to $59. Check out Dossier. You might find your fragrance that you don't want to spend money on anymore. You might find another fragrance that you can't afford, or you might find a fragrance that you didn't want to spend on but you want to try. They are 100% money back guarantee. If you don't like the fragrance, return it and they're going to refund you 100%. They also have free shipping. They have promotions, 10 to 20% off. If you use my link in the description box, it's going to bring you to Dossier site. I do not get money from this. They just simply gave me a link. So I got these for free and that's all they give me. They didn't buy my review. They asked me to review the fragrances. They didn't tell me to please say something good about it. They just want me to review it. So rest assured, guys, that when I say they're dupe, they're dupes. They're the same. Guys, I would not recommend anything that is not worth your money. I like sharing something that is amazing. Alright guys, this is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!